They all right. Granddad and Bobo. Bobo just sniff a bit the catnip. Catnip. Already gone high again. Granddad also. Granddad also get high. The two junkies. Now they are best friends. Look like, just like people drunk. Always say they love you. 係咪？Two junkies. 做咩？你兩個食咗貓草就嗨晒啊！唉，笑死人啊！連街貓都有貓草食，係咪啊？是不是？而家大家都食唔到啦，咁樣。係，我嚟幫下你哋先，我嚟幫下你哋。好，鉗翻個蓋出嚟先。哎呀，嗱，又開翻。我食啦。幫下拔啲。你又做乜嘢啊？做咗憂鬱少女啊？